Hello, everyone. Let's learn how to use the Evolve platform to submit, search, and track your product ideas. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to Evolve. On the XM Community homepage, click on Ideas in the top navigation bar. Make sure to read the product ideation overview post along with the instructions. Note that if you can't view the Evolve table, it might be due to your device's security settings blocking third-party scripts. Try accessing it on a personal device or contact your AE or CSM to submit ideas on your behalf. To search for an idea once you're in the Evolve table, click on the large search box labeled Search Ideas and type in keywords related to your idea. To filter results, use the Status dropdown to select the progress stage of ideas. You can also filter by product line, such as brand program, customer, frontline program, etc. If your idea already exists, show support by clicking the red heart button in the Add Your Vote column. To submit a new idea, click Submit New Idea here in the Evolve table. A form will open up in a new tab. Fill it out, detailing the rationale and need for your idea. Be as detailed as possible. If you're a member of the Qualtrics Partner Network, specify your role in the relevant form question. Hit the Submit button. Your idea will go live after 72 hours once it's triaged and assigned an initial status. You can monitor the progress of your idea by checking the Idea Status column in the Evolve table. While we don't automatically share EVIDs when your idea is processed, you can still get a full report of your ideas, including IDs and statuses, by asking your Qualtrics account team to send it to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you around the XM community.